Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable game mode on your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. So let's get started with open the application and now go to sound modes. So right here we have game mode and by default we have music mode. So you can click here to enable game mode, or you can click 2 times at the Bluetooth button when you are in the music mode. So 1, 2. Now it's swapped to game mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.